Hello, and thank you for choosing Sherry Vans in Piqua, Ohio. My name is Chad Bruce, and today we're going to be having a look at a 2022 Chrysler Voyager. This is upfitted by VMI. This is a mobility van with a manual ramp. So let's have a look. So, right up here, open this up, and the ramp, and just pull this little handle. See here, that's not real steep. And we do have a picture of how wide that is in our photos of this van. There's a picture with a tape measure. I want to say it's 29 inches. Nice rubber flooring in here. These little tracks, this comes with tie downs by a Q-string that will attach into these, and then there's a wide one here that goes all the way across. Both of these chairs will pop out, so you can drive this from the wheelchair, or you could be the passenger from the wheelchair. This chair will come out as well. Nice bright LED light there. That step will go up out of the way. I've got vents back here, and then that door there is power. So you hit this twice. And then there's also a button right here that you can close it with. Now on this key fob, you've got lock, unlock. That will open the hatch, which you'll do here in a second. That's remote start. And then the door buttons. This one just unlocks it though and opens it a little bit. It doesn't open all the way like it does on the driver's side. These are the Q-string straps, and then these little straps here, you can pull that, headrest will go down, and you can pull this strap here, and that seat will go down. The same with this one, that strap there, and then there's another one back here. Both those seats fold down flat, so you've got plenty of storage there. And then with this, there's a button here, you can close it too. It does give you a few seconds to step back. Got a reverse camera here and a wiper back there. Just grab this. Slides right in. This is kind of tricky to do with one hand. There you go. And we'll go up here to the driver's seat. This is power seat here. Tilt back as well. And controls for the window wipers. So push button start. There's a nice leather wrapped steering wheel that's also heated. You can see right here. It's nice and warm. Got all your controls here. Tachometer and speedometer lit up. Cruise controls here. And that's for phone. This little knob, put it in reverse, displays the reverse camera. This is the Uconnect setup here. This is looks like a 5 or 6 inch display. Pair your phone to it. Real nice resolution here. Climate control. We've got heated seats for the driver and passenger, and then the heated steering wheel. Here's where you can pair your phone to it, change the language, and there's different apps here. You can get Android Audio on there. Nice. It's even got buttons up here to power those doors. So again, this is a 2022 Chrysler Voyager, upfitted by VMI We are Sherry Vans in Piqua, Ohio. If you have any question on this van or any of the other vans in our inventory, please give me a call. Number is 937-778-0830. My extension is 1123. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe. Thanks.